Hi Capricorn, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is our weekly reading starting 6th of June. Now before I go ahead with the video, I just want to call out and say that I'm really sorry I was not able to create videos in the month of May because I had 3 deaths in my family and it was a really tough situation here in India because of the COVID situation that we have around the world. However, now the things have improved a little bit and I'm trying to get back to my YouTube channel and create videos for all of you. So first, thank you for your patience, and again I apologize if you missed out on those videos. I know a lot of people messaged me asking where are the videos, so I hope you understand the situation. Now that's all that I just wanted to call out, and without wasting a lot of your time, let me just quickly go ahead and see what's there in store for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see for you is the 2 of Wands, the 9 of Wands, and the 3 of Wands. Your person has the Lovers card, the Star card, and the 4 of Cups. Bottom of the deck I have the Magician card. That's the Magician energy, wherein this person or you, whoever is in this energy, will go ahead and do everything, which means they will command the universe to get the things done in their favor. Now what I see for you here is you have the 2 of Wands. With the 2 of Wands, you either had 2 options or there were 2 things. Okay, you were standing at a point where you had to choose, and that's exactly why you got stuck, because you were not sure which one is best for you. It could be 2 people, it could be 2 job offers, it could be anything, but you had an option. Okay, you had option B and you were not sure whether option A or option B is what you should go ahead with. Okay, so that was the confusion which created this energy and you got stuck, and it also led to a lot of exhaustion, which means you were mentally strained because you didn't know which direction you need to go. Okay, again, like I said, it could be 2 people, you had to choose among 2 people, it could be 2 job offers, it could be 2 it could be anything, it could be just 2 cars as well. You had to choose maybe model 1 or a model 2 and you like both of them. Okay, so that's where the confusion happened. Now what I see for your person is they have the Lovers card, which is the Gemini energy. So you could be dealing with somebody who is currently a Gemini. Now what I see is this person has a lot of love for you because they feel that you are their wish fulfillment with the Star card. Now this could also be that this person is an Aquarius. So for some of you it could be a Gemini, for some of you it could be an Aquarius. However, this person feels a connection with you. They feel that you are their wish fulfillment, but somehow currently this person is in the 4 of Cups energy, wherein they have gone ahead and they've closed themselves. Okay, wherein they don't want to go ahead and take that cup of love. Okay, they don't want to go ahead and do anything, they just want to go ahead and stay there. So even if you will offer them that cup of love, okay, they will go ahead and maybe decline it. Now let's go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see here is the 10 of Pentacles, where the 10 of Pentacles that I see here, now that's in reverse. Okay, that the 10 of Pentacles came in. The 10 of Pentacles, ideally if it comes in like this, it means that this person wants to build with you, but the card came in like this, which means that there could be a situation either you or your person is already involved in, which is wherein they have a family, and that's exactly why they can't be with you. That's the other option that they have, and they are having a tough time trying to decide whether they should stick with their family or should they go ahead and select you. Maybe that's for some of you. Okay, and let's take another one here. That's the Page of Cups. Page of Cups is a very childlike energy, very immature. Okay, so this person has a very immature energy. They're not very sure, they're not mature, they're not understanding what life is currently, but they still want to offer this cup of love to you. Okay, now the other card that I see here is the Queen of Swords. So whenever you or this person would want to have a conversation, please speak only the truth and nothing else but the truth, because with the Queen of Swords energy, it means that if there's any dishonesty, anything else that is mixed up with the facts, then this person will rip you off. Okay, so there's no BS that this person is going to entertain. Now let's quickly go ahead and see one card here, which is the message from archangels and crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see is celestial quartz. The crystal messages, are you ready to release blocks for yourself and Mother Earth? Do you realize that your own healing help many people on a planetary level? Allow these celestial messages to guide you to be the true earth steward and caregiver of the planet. You are a messenger of light and well-being, and the message here from Archangel Sandalphon, I'll put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. And that's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next time, please stay safe, love yourself first.